Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to show you how to make a smoothie using Teeccino. Teeccino sent me the pumpkin spice. Last month for my birthday they sent me a sample of the pumpkin spice, and so what I did, I made the pumpkin spice and I drank a cup or so of it and I put the rest in the refrigerator. So what I'm doing, I'm using it in my smoothie. We're going to make a good fall smoothie is what I'm making. So I've got apple juice, not mine because I don't have any apple juice, and I'm going to put about, let's see, it'll tell me somewhere, I don't know, probably about a cup of apple juice. We're going to use some of our muscadine. Isn't that pretty? It's not going to matter because it's going to take and change the color anyways, but I'm going to put 3 cubes in there. We're going to add yogurt, and this is vanilla yogurt. It's Activa, something that I like. Now you can add anything in here you want to add, but this is what I'm making today. And I'm adding pumpkin spice, and we're just going to do it up to the fill line. Put the top on. Now, awesome. What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? We added no sugar, nothing to it. We're going to see what it tastes like, because a lot of this is already kind of sweet. The Teeccino has dates and figs in it, so it already has kind of a sweet taste. The muscadines are grapes that have a sweet taste. The apple juice is naturally sweet, so oh man, that's awesome. You get a pumpkin spice taste to it because it's got pumpkin spice. This is awesome, guys. A great way to make a pumpkin spice smoothie. It is awesome. Use Teeccino. It is great. And I promise you guys, you're going to like it. I'm trying to do some of the smoothies along that I do. It's whatever you have available on your homestead. Right now we have muscadines, scuppernons. I had pineapple juice that I did. Trying to think, all kinds of juices. Apple juice I froze. I've even froze some of the Teeccino like this, and even some of my leftover coffee from the morning. And so when I want caffeine hike, I can throw a coffee cube in there, and it's my ice instead of using water. So I'm loving the Ninja. I'm loving the pumpkin spice. I'm trying to find ways to use it this fall, and this is one of them. A nice, beautiful smoothie using Teeccino. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. Fall is in the air.